Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain about my lecture number 59. This lecture will be based on income and expenditure account, balance sheet, and with problem of goods consumed during year. So first let us see the problem related to goods consumed during the year. This is your question. Question number 32 from your book. Question says, from the following receipt and payments account of a club, prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet for the year ending 31st March 2019. Now, in receipt side, cash balance, 10% fixed deposit, subscription, life membership fee, interest on fixed deposit, etc. are given. And in expenditure side, crockery purchase, tournament expenses, etc. are given. And in additional information, opening stock of some material is given and closing stock is also given. So let us see how will we solve this problem. For the solving of the problem, we have to prepare format of income and expenditure account, balance sheet, previous year and current year. So let us see the format. This is your question. Format. Income and expenditure account. Of a club for the year ending 2019. This is DR side and this is CR side. Expenditure, rupees amount, income, rupees. Now this is the format of balance sheet. Of 2019, that means current year balance sheet. This is liability side, rupees, assets, rupees. And I have also prepared a format of old balance sheet. We can say old balance sheet. Of 2018. This is liability side. Rupees, assets, rupees. Now I am going to show all the item one by one. Cash and bank balance is given in question 200 and 2500. So I will write it in asset side of previous year balance sheet. Cash 200, bank 2500. Now next item is given 10% fixed deposit 4000. So I will write it in asset side because this is capital expenditure. 10% fixed deposit 4000. Now next item is given subscription 10,000. This is recurring nature, so it will shown in income side of income and expenditure account. Subscription 10,000. Now life membership fee is given 3,000 and I will write it in liability side of current year balance sheet. Life membership fee. Life membership fee is given 3,000. Now interest on fixed deposit is given and it will be recurring nature, so I will show it in income side. Interest on fixed deposit by interest on fixed deposit, it is given 300. Now tournament fund is given. Tournament fund will be our liability, so it will shown in liability side. Tournament fund amount is given 4,000. Now sale of crockery out of purchase is given. Sale of crockery out of purchase, book value is given 100 and sell in 150, so it will be profit 50 rupees and I will show in income side. Sell profit on sale of crockery 50 rupees. Now sale of match ticket is also given 2,000, so it will be our income and I will write in income side. Sale of match ticket is given 2,000. Now in payment side, crockery purchase is given 400. So it will be related to material consumed, also crockery purchase 400, and I will write it in balance sheet. Crockery $400. Now tournament expenses is given. I will deduct expenses from fund 3000 and it will remain 1000. Now postage and investment is also given. Postage will be our expenditure, so I will add 2 postage. Now there is an adjustment is also given about postage stamp. In 2018 100 and 2019 150, so it will come under material consumed, and I will write 100 plus 800 and minus 150 closing balance, and the remaining will be 750. Now I will also write postage opening balance. In opening balance sheet, postage stamp is given 100 and closing balance is also given. Postage stamp in stock is given 150. Now next point is given investment. Investment will be capital expenditure 4700. I will write it. Investment 4700. Now salary is given, so I will write salary 1500. 4000. So salary 4000. Outstanding also is given, so I will adjust it later. Purchase of cricket goods is given 2000, so it will also related to material consumed. Cricket goods amount is given previous 300 plus purchase 2000 and minus closing balance 500, so it will be 1800. And I will also write stock of cricket goods in current year balance sheet, cricket goods closing balance is given 800 and opening is given cricket goods 300 in question. Now cash and bank balance and fixed deposit is given in closing, so I will write cash 500, bank 5250 is given, and fixed deposit 4000 is given. Now question says in additional information, salary due beginning is not given and current year is end of year is 200, so I will add outstanding 200 and total will be 4200 and it will be our liability, so I will write in liability side outstanding salary 200. Now additional information is given, stock of postage stamp 100 in beginning of the year and 150 in current year. So I have done already postage stamp 150 in closing balance and postage stamp 100 in opening balance sheet. Now question says cricket stock of cricket goods. I have also done 300 and 500. Cricket good 300, cricket goods 300 and 500. Now I will write 500 in asset side. Now subscription due beginning of the year 400 and end 700, so I will write subscription outstanding subscription also 500 in opening balance sheet and in closing balance sheet, and in income and expenditure account it will be minus outstanding beginning of the year 300 and plus outstanding end of the year is given 600, so total will be 10,300. Now at the end subscription of 2018 received is only 300 out of 400 received only 300, so 100 is still in arrear, so I will add 100 in current year balance sheet also. There is 700 is given, so 100, it means 100 is already adding in 700, so current year subscription will be 600 only, and therefore I have written 600 outstanding end of the year. And now I will show outstanding subscription for current year 600 plus outstanding subscription 100 still in arrear, so total will be 700, and in question it is given 700 total including previous year subscription 100. So this should be remember. Now one more point, 10% investment fixed deposit is given, so total will be interest on fixed deposit will be 400, but I have received already 300, so I will also add 100 as accrued interest, and total will be 400, and I will write accrued interest on FD 100. Now nothing is left in question, so I will calculate the balance of income and expenditure account first. Total of income and expenditure account will be 10 to 12,750. 12,750, and in debit side also 12,750. Now one more item has been left, match expenses. Match expenses, it is given 1,500, so I have forgot it. Now I will deduct all the expenditure from total income, so it will be surplus will be 4,500. Now I will calculate the balance of capital fund also. Total of capital fund will be one more point is here, 10% fixed deposit in the beginning of the year 4,000. So total of asset side will be 7,500. Therefore capital fund will be balancing figure 7,500. I will write it. Now capital fund will transfer into current year balance sheet. So capital fund $7,500 is given, and I will also add surplus $4,500. Now total will be 12,000, and now I will calculate total of liability side and asset side both. 16,200, and asset side also 16,200. Student, this is question number 32 from your book. you can see. Now I will meet in next video with new question. Thank you very much.